Hey, what's up everybody? Right now I'm in Switzerland, back in my hometown. The last week I was in Lisbon and our apartment got broken into and they stole everything from me. So let me explain you what happened. Last week I was in Lisbon to make a cost of living in video. Our apartment got broken into. The first night we stayed at an Airbnb apartment. Once we arrived, the owner told us that the apartment had already been broken into in the past, but we decided to stay there anyway. The same night we went out to party, came back at 3 a.m. and we noticed the window was open. Me and my friend, we are sure we closed everything before going out. We closed the door, the windows, because the owner even told us to do so, but they robbed us anyways. So once we arrived, I went upstairs at 3 a.m. and I noticed that everything had been stolen from me. Unfortunately, I was traveling with all my gear because I was coming back home. The past 3 months I was in Madrid to learn Spanish and they stole everything. They stole my PC, they stole my GoPro, my backpack, my camera, they stole my drone, everything. Unfortunately, with that they stole also my hard drive, so all my footage is gone. Right now I'm filming this with my phone. I filed a police report the same night. The police arrived 1 hour later. We explained to them what happened. They didn't even speak English, but we tried anyways, talking to them in Spanish. So 2 days later we went to a police station to get a report for the insurance. Even though I don't think the insurance will pay me anything back because I'm not insured for such things. So this was an update video for you, so you know what I've been up to. Right now I don't really know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna buy some stuff back or not, because I'm really disappointed and I lost everything. These are all things that I collected throughout the years, throughout the past 3-4 years, and now it's all gone. I know we are lucky that we weren't there when the robbers showed up, so we're not injured, nothing happened. It's only material things, it's only camera gear, but anyways, I'm in a shitty situation right now and I have to figure out what I'm gonna do. So if for the next few months, few weeks and months, I'm not gonna be posting anything, that's the reason. Anyway, I really appreciate anyone of you who subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me and keeps me going. And right now I'm gonna think about what I'm gonna do. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hopefully. Goodbye.